Hi and welcome to week 5. We are now in chapter 3 and we'll be completing guided project 3-3 for this lecture. Skills covered in this project: create, size, and position a pie chart object, apply a chart style, change the chart type, add and format chart elements, create a line chart sheet, apply a chart layout, insert and format spark lines in a worksheet. Open the Blue Lake Sports-03 start file. If the workbook opens in protected view, go ahead and click the Enable Editing button so that you are able to modify and save it. Create a pie chart object. Select the revenue by department sheet. Select cells A4 to F4. Press Ctrl and select cells A13 to F13. Click the Recommended Pie Charts button. Insert tab, Chart Groups. Choose Pie and click OK. Apply a chart style. Select the chart object. Click the More button. Chart Tools, Design tab, and then the Chart Styles group. Choose Style 12. Size and position a chart object. Point to the chart object border to display the move pointer. Drag the chart object so it's at the top left corner at cell A21. Point at the bottom right selection handle to display the resize arrow and drag to cell G35. Change the chart type. Select the pie chart object and click the Change Chart Type button. Chart Tools, Design tab, Type Group. Select the All Charts tab and choose Pie in the left pane. Choose 3D Pie and click OK. Format pie chart elements. Double-click the pie to open its Format Data Series task pane. And click the Atlanta slice. To update the pane to the Format Data Point task pane. Rest the pointer on a slice to see its identifying screen tab. So this is the plot area, Series Golf Point, Series Golf Point St. Louis, San Diego, and this is Chicago, and then this one is Boston. So make sure that you click this chart area and then double click the pie itself, or the pie slice, to get that Format Data Point series to open up. Next, click the Series Options button. Set the pie explosion percentage at 10%. And close the task pane. Click the Chart Object border to deselect the Atlanta slice. Add and format chart elements in a pie chart. Click the Chart Elements button in the top right corner of the chart. Select the Data Labels box. Click the Data Labels arrow to open its submenu and choose More Options. Click the Label Options button in the Format Data Labels pane. Click the labels options to expand the group, and mine was automatically open. So label options, and then yours might be closed. Just expand that. Select percentage. Next, deselect the value box. Press Ctrl B to apply bold. Change the font size to 12. Home tab, font group. Click the chart object border to deselect it, or to select it. Click the shape outline button. Chart tools format tab, shape styles group, and choose purple accent 4, darker 50%. Click the shape outline button and choose weight 1 point. Click a worksheet cell. Next, create a line chart sheet. Select the Atlanta Sheet tab, or Atlanta Revenue Sheet tab. Select cells A4 to E7. Click the Quick Analysis button and choose Charts. Select line. Click the Move Chart button, Chart Tools, Design tab, Location group. Click the New Sheet button and then type Promo Departments and click OK. Apply a chart's layout. Click the Quick Chart Layout button, Chart Tools, Design tab, Chart Layouts. Select Layout 5 to add a data table to the chart sheet. Change the chart type. Click the Change Chart Type button, Chart Tools, Design tab, Type group. Select the All Charts tab and choose Line with Markers. Click OK. Edit chart elements in a line chart. Click the chart title placeholder. Type Special Promotion Departments. And you'll notice that I clicked it once. Nothing's typing, but in my formula bar is where you can see what we just typed, and you're able to edit any changes in here. You can press Enter. Click the vertical axis title placeholder, and you'll remember that vertical is up and down. My mom has vertical blinds. Her blinds are up and down. So this is vertical. Type dollar cells. Press Enter. Click the Chart Elements drop-down arrow. Chart Tools. Format tab. Current Selection Group. And select Series Apparel to select the line in the chart. And now we have that line highlighted. Click the Format Selection button. Chart Tools, Format tab, Current Selection Group, and then choose Click the Fill Line button from the Format Data Series task pane. And we're just going to open that up, and then you're going to click Marker, and then click Marker Options. Choose Built-in, and then we're going to change the size to 10. Click the Series Options triangle at the top of the task pane and choose Series Baseball. So Series Options here, instead of going this way to choose Series Baseball, there's also another option. So Series Baseball, and we're going to apply the same marker changes for the baseball series. So built-in, 10, and let's choose basketball in this series. Last one. And again, we'll make the same changes. So built-in and then 10. So you'll notice that our circles for the markers have changed and expanded and have gotten a little bit larger. Close the task pane and then click outside of the chart area. Insert spark lines in the worksheet. Click the Atlanta Revenue tab. Right-click the column F heading and choose Insert. Select cells B5 to E18. This is your data range. Next, click the Line Spark Line button. Insert tab, Spark Lines. Select cells F5 to F18. Notice that this is our data range. What are we choosing that we want to build our spark lines? The location is absolute. We absolutely don't want this location to change. So again, B5 to E8, this is the information that we have. B5, to E18, that's your data range, and then our location where we're putting the spark lines at. And then just click OK. Now let's format the spark lines in the worksheet. Click the Format button, Home tab, Cells group, and change the row height to 24. Format the column width to 35. Select the Markers box and the Show Group and the Sparkline Tools Design tab. Click the Sparkline color and choose Black, Text 1. And then click into cell A1. Change the page orientation to landscape. Save and close your workbook. So I hope I got 100% again this week, giving you this lecture for week 5. If you have questions, don't forget to use the Ask Dr. Barnes a Question tab located in our Blackboard shell. Good luck and have some fun this week.